Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 31st, 2021, the last day of the month of March. We have here a binary puzzle, and this will be number 2562. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row. In a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right. So let's get started. Let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. That means I need a 1 here, and I cannot place the 1 there. Then we have 4 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So I cannot place the 1 there. Otherwise, we have 3 rows in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So the 1 should be in the middle. Alright, now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Alright, double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's, now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then we need to think. One, two, three, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then this cannot be a 1, the fourth one. 1, 2, 3. If this is number 4, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this should be an O. Okay. Then we need to compare, I think. We need to compare the rows or the columns. I think okay, we have 1, 2, 3. This is not the same. Do we have a double O here? No. Double 1 here? No. I have 3 columns. O10. Do we have O10? No. I cannot compare. Strange. Oh yeah. First column and a fourth column. Let me do this. Empty box 001100, empty box 110011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 there, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, this one you need to see it, otherwise you will overlook and will search long. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.